in English, particularly for the India and such state where Hindi is unknown to them, particularly the South India, and hence this English may sensitize them to some extent. This is a Madhya Pradesh Vidhan Mandal Sachivalaya, in which this retired ex-principal secretary Bhagwan Dev Ishrani sir has organized a one-day seminar based on the natural diet cures all diseases and get rid of medicine. So here we are seeing from my left the then Governor Ram Naresh Yadav. On the second white shirt slim person is B.V. Chauhan, a meditational teacher, the Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh, and the shirt bearing person is the then Principal Secretary Bhagwan Dev Ishrani Sahab. So let us study what is the meditation. Tap Seva Sumiran is a name of this health therapy, and from 100 years Badri Narayan Ashram Meerut is doing research on this natural diet. So there are 5 principles that everyone tries for good health, and he tried to find energy in food, but there is no energy in the food. The second, he assumed there is health in the medicine, but health is inside our body, not in the medicine. The third is, he expect there is pleasure in the money, but not 100% correct. The fourth is, we assume there is knowledge in the books, actually there is information and no knowledge. And the fifth is there is duty in our relation and no law. All this lies in our subconscious mind. So here all dignitaries of Vidhan Mandal Sachivalaya Madhya Pradesh, they are given this information to reach to the every common man of the Madhya Pradesh. So these are the photos. Here Dr. Bhagwan Dev Ishrani sir addressing the Vidhan Sabha to what is the importance of natural diet, and he is a teacher B.V. Chauhan, who up till has arranged more than 4,000 workshops all over the country to give good health from natural diet. So here is Honorable Governor, the then Governor of Madhya Pradesh, Ram Naresh Yadav ji. Now here are some of the important points which we can read through the newspaper. The MLAs were advised to keep fast for 16 hours, take enema and Jal Dhoti or woman for 1 month, and shift their diet to more and more on natural diet. So here I am briefing the pattern. At 6 a.m. for 1 month we have to take enema in the morning and in the evening. 1 month we have to do the Jal Dhoti or woman and Jalaniti. Up to 11 a.m., that means age is above 30, we have to remain on fast to clean our body, just like offices which are clean up to 11 a.m. and then they are open. Then at 11 a.m. you are advised to take the green juice leaf of 100 gram vegetable leaf and 100 gram of natural local cheap fruits. So at 1 p.m. you are advised to take the sprouts and the salad, lot of fruits as you desire, and avoid the kitchen food. Then at 3 p.m. or 4 p.m. you are advised to take Karela juice at 5 p.m. 50% added poha or upma or bhajia you can use. So at 7 p.m. you are advised to take 20% carbohydrate, 60% green vegetable boiled and 20% cereal or pulses. So this is called tap. The seva means we are doing volunteership by money or by physical work is called seva. And sumiran means not to tie the knots in our subconscious mind is called sumiran, which we gain from the meditation. Here again it is advised that in all religion the fasting is a prime important, and it is advised to have one fast in 2 weeks. It is called Ekadashi, etc. 3 days fast in 3 months and 9 days fast in a year on water, honey and water and honey. So and nimbu. So this fasting is advised in all religions through Rosé, Sikh Bandhu Upwas, Navratri Upwas, Buddha Upwas or charity meditation and fasting. So here again through newspaper the information spread remain 16 hours without nashta, which will clean your body, and avoid even tea and water also intake of food. Again here is a Hindi version, Langhanam Param Aushadam, that means fasting clears all disorder and diseases, is the basis of this therapy. So here again the Guruji is giving this information to the audience after the Vidhan Mandal session is over. So he is a person, Sri Bhagwan Dev Visrani, ex-retired Principal Secretary of Madhya Pradesh Vidhan Mandal Sachivalaya, and he should be honored because he has sensitized all the government system in India. So he should be honored for his great work he has done and clear the path to us. So this is a natural diet. All these are uncooked foods, and use this in the day and use cooked food in the night only or evening. Here it is advised that avoid taking lot of medicine or doing expenditure on more and more intake of food. Very less food is necessary for our body. Again, natural diet gives all health, and we have to follow the principle of this therapy, that is enema, woman, 6-hour fasting, natural diet in the daytime and cooked diet in the evening. This will give us a good health. Here is the best example that when you start this therapy, within 6 months you loses your weight 10 to 30 kg and your body becomes very good, so that after 6 months if someone came to you, he will say that I want to meet your elder brother or sister. So this is happened in Aurangabad. Anil Suryavanshi Tahsildar, further he is a government union leader also. After 6 months, when person came from different regions of the Maharashtra, they used to ask him, we want to meet your elder brother Anil Suryavanshi. He said, no, I am the same. They said, no, you are his younger brother. So beauty parlor is a good message for the youths, and try them. So with this, I request all non-Hindi speaking belts in India to study this natural diet system, and actually it started but we have to reach to the deep, and all diseases, all medicines are cured with this natural diet, and probably the people's representative are the best who can spread this up to the last person of the India. So with this I end this clip. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.